In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Uber Cash to your bank account. If you're looking to convert your Uber Cash into real money that you can use elsewhere, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your favorite web browser and visit ubereats.com. You can easily do this on either a computer or mobile device. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log in using your Uber credentials. This step is crucial as it gives you access to all the features you'll need to complete this process. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the upper left corner of the page. There, you'll notice three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Click on this to open a menu that will help you navigate your account with ease. This icon is a gateway to various options that Uber has made available to you, so it's important to familiarize yourself with it. Now that you've clicked on the hamburger menu, look for an option labeled Wallet. It should be somewhere on the list, and it's essential to click it. The Wallet section is your one-stop shop for managing your Uber balance and other financial details associated with your account. It's designed to be a simple and efficient way to track and manage your funds. Here's where you'll see the balance of your Uber Cash. At this point, double-check that the displayed amount matches what you expect. It's always good practice to keep a mental note or record of your balances for future reference. Seeing the exact amount here ensures you know what's available for transferring. Before proceeding to the actual transfer, you need to ensure that you have a linked card or credit card to your Uber account. If you haven't done this yet, take a moment to add your bank card information now. Without adding a card, Uber cannot process your withdrawal. This security step is essential for verifying and ensuring safe transaction processes. Now that you've confirmed you have a linked card, you're ready to transfer the balance of your Uber Cash to your bank account. This process is straightforward, and the available on-screen prompts will guide you through the necessary steps. Once you finalize and confirm the transfer, it might take a bit of time for the funds to appear in your bank account, so patience is key. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred Uber Cash to your bank account. It's always a good idea to check your bank balance after a short while to ensure the funds have been processed correctly. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and happy transferring.